Dear colleagues, hello and thank you very much for looking at this video. I would like to talk you something about the study of health in Pomerania, its importance for the local university, but also its national and international relevance. As you know, population-based research is the usual business in epidemiology worldwide, but the special characteristic and the unique characteristic of SHIP is that we perform the most comprehensive examination program ever been performed in population-based research. And as you can see here, we not only conduct blood pressure measurements, ultrasound examinations and so on, but also innovative technologies like whole body MRI and sleep apnea. And this is very important because SHIP is very integrative. Locally, we tightly collaborate with nearly all medical disciplines in the medical faculty in Greifswald, but also with the humanities, including the ethics department. We have included new technologies that have been developed in our engineering faculty. And as you can see on the slide, there are a lot of more collaborations that have been established and are very fruitful, because we are looking for new technologies that can be applied on a non-invasive basis to collect data on subclinical disorders and clinical diseases. This is very important also for collaboration. High standards for quality assurance warrant good comparability of our data with data from other population-based studies in Germany. And not only science is interested in collaborating with us, we have a lot of collaborations also with companies, large-scale companies actually, not only from Germany, like Siemens, like Pfizer and so on. These guys are very interested in collaborating with us, for example, to establish reference values for laboratory tests or for MR data and other imaging data. And of course, as a return of invest, they provide us to collect this data and they can use it also for commercial purposes. SHIP is not only successful in publishing scientific results. 1 to 2 publications are published each week actually, but it's also a very important factor for our university to get even more public funding. And we have been contacting very many funding organizations, and very successfully now we spend a total sum of 3 to 4 million euro a year to collect data for different scientific and also commercial purposes. I'm very sure that the Brazilian SHIP sister study can be a similarly successful project for the University of Blumenau. But you have to see that establishing population-based research is a very tough business. In Greifswald it took 2.5 years to prepare the SHIP data collection, and we would be very glad to provide our expertise, our infrastructure and database management, quality assurance to our Brazilian colleagues and friends to accelerate the processes of establishing population-based research. In addition, we have contacted public funding agencies, but also companies from Germany to ask them to support the Brazilian SHIP study, and we are very glad to report on first positive answers. We will be supported by a company that will be providing body scanning machines. It's a laser technology-based device to measure somatometric parameters, and we are also very glad on a positive response from a company that will provide sleep apnea devices for polysomnographic examinations. In addition, we expect even more public German money for project management and quality assurance from our Federal Ministry of Education and Research. And we are also negotiating with other companies even to find more money to support. So thank you very much for your attention, and finally I hope that the University of Blumenau will support this large-scale project as far as the university can do. Goodbye.